Alright guys, one more thing to go over. If you change the watch battery and the watch battery did not get the watch running, most likely the movement needs to be worked on, be serviced. So all this information, instead of sending the watch over for an estimate, all this stuff is actually conveniently located in the Geller Blue Book, okay, in section 1100, which is under the tab Watch Repairs, okay, right there. Alright. Under watch repairs, let's look at what it covers. Okay.
You should know what you're doing, damn it.
Under batteries, number one, it shows you all the prices of batteries. We would not go by these battery guides. Okay. We will continue to charge our normal price for a lifetime battery. Okay. Under that same section, it has prices if you ever need to get your watch polished, crown, case. All this stuff is actually listed in there. But let's skip and go ahead to movements. Okay. On movements, on a basic quartz movement, this is right here. It says quartz movement for generic estimate purposes only. Okay. These are prices of movements. Okay. So for a original manufacturer's movement, it'd be anywhere from not $45 to $85. You notice here how this column here is in bold and this right here is not bold. This is the express price. But with watch repairs, I'm going to tell you right now, let's not offer express service because I'm at the mercy of the watchmaker. Okay, so these are prices on different types of movement. Again, these are ballpark prices. You can tell the customer these are an estimate. The approximate cost about this much money. If it needs, if it's any less, we'll tell them. Okay, but it would be no more than this price range right here. You see here the low grade, medium grade, high grade service. Basically, you know, I was just going to tell you right now, on expensive watches, you have high grade service. But again, this is a price guide for generic movements. Now, if you go over here on this side of the page, this is actually they're getting more specific in which brand. So, for instance, a movement on a Baume & Mercier is $295 for a quartz movement. For a Bulova, it's only $79. On a Cartier, it's $225. So, if your watch that you need to get work on falls in any of these categories, okay, this is approximately how much it will cost for movement work. Okay. On the same note, if someone brings in a watch that has a mechanical movement, which when it says mechanical, it means an automatic or a kinetic watch. Those are self-winding watches, like a Rolex. And right here, these are the price guides and how much it will cost to service those automatic movements. It's the next image over. It says mechanical movements. For instance, a Rolex, it will cost, for a Datejust, which is the most common one, it will cost $495 for a service. Okay? And that will be basically it. This take your time to go through this book is what I recommend. It will go over, it gives you a lot of prices and also gives you a lot of price on crystals and stuff like that. Again, if you're unsure, you're always welcome to send in for an estimate, but there's really no need to if you have the prices right here. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to call me.